No.
Good morning, guys. How are you? Welcome to another vlogmas episode. It's vlogmas day 18. Yeah, kind of forgot there for a second, but you know, yeah. We are up. The kids are up. The kids ate breakfast. I might grab a cup of coffee. Who knows? We'll see that. I'm trying to lay off because, you know, the girl's been packing on a few extra pounds. Yeah. I need to hop on and, you know, start the vlog because I have something in store for y'all today. Something a little festive. Yeah, but as y'all can see by the title, get ready because it's going down today. We gonna compete today. And we have hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully 2 special guests who'll be judging, you know. So we're gonna have a little mix off. We're gonna see who can make the best margarita. Yeah, so we'll see how, you know, that goes. So stay tuned for that. Just a little something, you know, just a little something. So we're gonna see where that goes. I'm gonna go get dressed, ready for the day. I already freshened up, did my skincare routine. My face has been looking right, you know. The winter has not been wintering yet because usually around cold time my face dries out, but for the most part she's been looking, it's giving a little greasy, but no, it's glowy, baby. Glow. Yeah. Yeah, but my face is, she's been doing good.
Take out the seeds is what I want. I just want the skin.
Guys, it's hours later. Got our guest couple, they're back. This is Millie.
What's good?
And his beautiful wife, Shamoya. She's over there. Say hey, girl.
Hey, girl.
So, the whole point of this video is we're going to be making some drinkity drink, you know?
And we're going to test them.
That's right. So, I am going up against my husband because we're making margaritas today. We're making holiday margaritas. He's over here making something else because he been hiding things.
I'm not making anything else, but I am making my syrup from scratch, and I'm putting a little taste of jalapeno to add a little spice to my margarita. But we'll see.
This man was watching videos, y'all.
Y'all? You from the country now?
Yep, that's my country girl, my country bumpkin right there.
Yeehaw. Do a little prep. I'm going to, I use sugar, I don't use salt on my rim. And I'm going to be frosting my cranberries.
Chef Boy RJ right there whipping it up.
RJ.
Yeah, I'm just so right here what we have is a quarter cup sugar and a quarter cup of
I didn't do nothing.
And what I did was sliced up a few slices of jalapeno, and I'm pressing the jalapeno into the mix, kind of let the flavors marinate in the sauce. And
the sauce.
Yeah, figuratively speaking.
Only extra now?
Anyway, we're gonna see how this turns out.
Well, I'm excited about the heat.
I want to try too. Okay. So my garnish is done.
Okay,
Yes, baby.
Sweet and sour.
Yeah, baby. You gotta get a little something sometimes. You know what I'm saying?
Line. I'm gonna roll my line. lime so that it's easier to get the juices out when we're ready.
If y'all can't tell, they're very competitive.
That's an understatement.
And
And
Drew
don't
is
be no
still
explicit
cutting
thing,
his
you know,
lime.
all about explicitity.
Boy, that on you? Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that might gonna be good.
Guess what might take side, Shamaya?
You know, one of the things
The
with
lime
margaritas
look good.
is
Lime.
you always want your lime to be freshly squeezed. You don't want stale, refrigerated, pre-processed limes. You want something fresh.
Naturally, just came from the store, right?
Organic.
Yeah.
I squeeze
preferably.
mine with my bare hands.
Yeah, that's not
Real
all
bartender.
Yep.
Gang,
That's,
gang, gang.
that's not all she squeezed.
Competition.
Yeah.
What's your way?
I mean, what's life without a little banter, right?
Drew's still on his lime, y'all.
Quality's not rushed.
Ooh la la la. Ooh la la.
A lot of boring math later.
Moment of truth.
We're finished. How do you think you do, sir?
Alright, maybe my presentation could have been executed a little bit better, but I'm waiting to see the reactions of the flavors, the essence of the jalapeno, add in that little spice.
I'm not gonna toot my own horn, but you know, Basilitov, we already established that. Wow. For sportsmanship, you did good. I give you E for effort. So our judges are going to, you know, test the drink and judge. All right, doing a team.
All right, so it's very beautiful, very clean.
Bruh.
Presentation is very nice. Smell good, smell nice. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna taste it now. Sugar, not salt. Go on.
All right.
You know, her punctuality on this was to the point of professionalism. You know, she has it well decorated. The presentation looks good, and I like the color. You know, it smells strong. It smells strong.
I put a little extra just for you. You know, yeah.
Okay. You know, the cranberries. Do not taste them. I mean, do not eat them.
He learned the hard way.
Yes. But let me taste it.
Wow.
What do you think? Come on. What do you think?
It's good. The sugar, you know, amplifies the taste better in my mouth. Yes, it tastes good. I like it. I was kind of iffy on the fact it was a jalapeno drink, you know, but it turned out better than I expected.
You didn't taste it
You
yet.
didn't taste it yet. He's being biased. It's his brother, so you know.
No.
Be honest.
I'm gonna taste it again so I can.
Taste it again. That's a big sip, my dude.
Okay. You'd added some sugar. It tastes good. You know, it's a little
Sour?
like it got a little sour taste to it. you
So I
know.
think he needed to add a little more liqueur to it. That's what he's missing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
For this one,
Sorry.
so I could get the presentation. Something he probably never got in his life. You're gonna get a C.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah, presentation is not up there yet. Let's see how it tastes. Let me smell it first. Okay, I smell the
The jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Okay, so you get that grade.
Mm. It's sour.
It's spicy. First taste is sour.
It needs sugar.
The spice is there.
Taste it again.
It's doing its thing. The lime and the heat.
Yeah, that's a good combo.
Yeah.
That's a good
It's
combo.
good.
I'm gonna tell you
It's
that.
good.
That's a good combo.
And I
You
feel
see,
it
that's
in
what
my
I was
throat.
saying.
The heat.
The heat. So I like that. But it's sour.
It's sour.
Yeah, you need a little more liqueur.
Okay.
Back, the judges have deliberated and they're about to, you know, give their verdict. So who's going first?
Me.
All right,
I could
Tony.
went first, Shawty.
Go ahead.
Oh, it was a very tough decision to make.
One by a landslide, baby.
Yes. Tosh, she scored like a 9.5, right? And Drew scored like a 7. His presentation wasn't all as fancy as Tosh's.
No, it's not even that. If he had did it to the T, he would have killed it, because this right here is a drink.
It's a drink.
It's a drink
It
with the
tastes good.
spicy, the salty.
I'm telling
But
you.
if he had just add the right amount, like ingredients wise and presentation wise,
That's what I was saying, the presentation.
you would have got it, baby. You know what? I'm gonna recreate this.
Yes.
I'm gonna redo it.
Right now?
Tasha's drink. Need a little more liquor.
It's alright.
But-
I've heard that before.
It's cute and it tastes nice, and presentation was everything, and it tastes like professionalism. Just need more liquor. Okay. The next one though, it could have been hitting.
Yes.
It could have been hitting
For real.
because the heat is good. The heat, the aftertaste, the jalapeno in it mixed with the lime.
I think he was just throwing stuff in there. Because if he had did it like, you know, to the T, everything would have been good. You saw him over here mixing.
You made it sweeter.
Oh!
Let me taste it.
If you don't mind taking from the glass, sure. Taste it.
Yes.
There you go.
But with the remake, they're both good. So I don't know who the winner is. But they're both good.
First of all, give me my winnings first, cause me win the first one.
The first one, yeah, Tash won for sure. But the second one, they're both really good.
But this was fun. This was so much fun.
Let's go.
I did great, but hubby came back after the fact, so he get, you know, an honorary, you know, yeah.
Yeah,
But-
he did his thing. He turned up, you know.
After the fact.
After the fact, like the second time, it was
Yeah,
better
no,
than
but
the
no.
first
He
time.
took critique very well, cause y'all was telling him what was what. But that when I tasted it, I'm like, I don't know if I got that on camera, but
We gonna finish.
it was bomb.
First of all,
Wait, what happened there?
every time I come here,
Which
I like coming here because it's always lit. It's
It's always a good
party.
time. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
She took a
Oh
win.
yeah, well we're gonna see you for your birthday anyway.
And
she's
she
a,
took- and she
she's
took
a
a W.
Christmas baby. Of course, a W. I don't know how to. Is it? Oh, there you go.
It's this. It's this.
What's W?
A win.
Oh!
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I just wanted to do something a little bit different. And thank you to my beautiful in-laws for just supporting your girl. They showed up. Thank you. And my hubby for being my little ride or die. Because, well, he gonna do it anyway. He ain't got a choice.
Sure.
Alright guys, I'll see y'all later. I'm just playing.
I want to make
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. I don't know what tomorrow will bring, but we gonna have fun. Bye.